Welcome back to Learner's Aid. In our last video, we discovered the Milky Way galaxy and our solar system's location in it. In this lesson, we are diving deeper to explore the solar system itself. So, let's find out what it's made up of. The solar system is basically a group of objects that orbit our star, which is basically the sun. And it includes 8 planets. And each of these 8 planets has its own moon or moons. And then there are also thousands of asteroids in the asteroid belt. And there are also icy comets. All of these come together to form the solar system. The sun's powerful gravity keeps everything in orbit, like an invisible hand holding it all together. The planets in our solar system are divided into 2 groups. We have the inner planets and the outer planets. The inner planets are made up of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And the inner planets are separated from the outer planet by the asteroid belt, which is basically a region filled with rocky objects orbiting the sun between Mars and Jupiter. So the inner planets are basically smaller in size. Basically, they are found inside the asteroid belt and they have fewer moons among themselves, and they are the ones closest to the sun. They are made up of rocks or metals with hard surfaces, and these inner planets are basically smaller in size and they rotate slowly on their axis and they orbit the sun quickly. The outer planets, on the other hand, are found outside the asteroid belts. They are made up of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are giants and they are made up mostly of gas or ice and are farther from the sun. The inner planets are also known as the terrestrial planets. So that's it. So now that we've seen the big picture, let's get ready for the next video where we will explore each planet and the sun in detail. So don't miss out. Hit the like button and subscribe. See you in our next video.